Assembly members, I am blessed to represent a constituency that is home to Snowdonia National Park, providing a unique visitor experience, a safe natural habitat for much of our nation's rare flora and fauna, all whilst protecting and enhancing our natural beauty and cultural heritage, and its own LDP. A fifth of the park is statutorily protected for its wildlife and geological interest that includes 107 sites of special scientific interest, totalling over 62,500 hectares. 21 national nature reserves boasting some of the most important natural and semi-natural terrestrial and coastal ecosystems in Great Britain. The park attracts thousands of visitors to enjoy its amazing landscape and the variety of activities. More than 360,000 walkers climb the summit of Snowdon every year, and the park is one of the top destinations in the world for outdoor activities and adventure sports. Overall, our national parks account for £557 million of GVA. However, I am acutely aware of just how much the managing bodies of our parks have to deal with increasingly complex and varied issues at a time of diminishing resources. In welcoming the fact that the Welsh Government has embarked on a process of reviewing designated landscape areas in Wales, we welcome the forthcoming report and we support those working on it with your aims.